In this video, we're going to replace the passenger side front interior door handle located right here. On the inside of your door handle here, there's a little trim cap. We're going to use a pocket screwdriver. I'm going to go in there. I'm going to press down on this little tab and pull that little panel right out. Remove that, set it aside. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to remove these two screws from the inside of the handle area itself. In the middle of the door panel, we have a Phillips head screw right underneath the armrest area. Loosen and remove that. Using our plastic trim tool, I'm going to go ahead and lift up the switch panel right here. Just going to get underneath the cover, just gently pry it up and work your way around the edge. Pop that up, lift it away. You can go ahead underneath here. In order to disconnect our harness from the switch here, there's a little white tab right here and it flips over. In order to do that, you're going to use a pocket screwdriver and press down on this little spring tab and then push this over like so. That'll unlock it so you can go ahead and pull your switch off. In your Phillips head screwdriver, remove this screw and set it aside. You get your pry tool behind here. We're just going to gently pry this up. You can get your hand back there and gently pull that door panel towards you, working your way all the way around. Once that's free, now we can go ahead and grab that door panel. We're going to lift it up and off of the top of the door. Gently lift that up. Now as we pull this away, we'll have our door handle cables on the back side. I want to go ahead and disconnect those. What I want to do is pop this little retaining clip off like that, lift up and pop that cable out. The top one might be easier if you use a pick to get underneath that clip, and you want to pop that out like so. Slip that out. Pop that up. I'm going to pop the cable out of that locking unit. We have the harness right here for our light. We want to go ahead and disconnect that. And to press down on this little tab right here and then go ahead and pull that out. At this point here, our door panel is loose. Around the perimeter of the interior door handle here, there are little lock tabs. We can use our pocket screwdriver. What we want to do is I want to press down on these little lock tabs. Go ahead and start to move that handle like so. Gently pushing that down. Work your way around the perimeter. Again, work that out from the front like so. You want to simply take that interior door handle, feed that up into the pocket in the door. Go ahead and line that up, and you're going to gently push on it upward, and you're locking in the tabs around the perimeter. Just give it a little tug and a little wiggle there, and we're secured in place. Okay, bring up your door panel. Let's go ahead and get our light switch plugged in. You hear that click right into place. Make sure that your harness for the window switch lines up. Now I want to go ahead and install our cables here for the handle. I'm going to go ahead and install the bottom one here. Slide this around. Get the cable lined up inside the plastic tab there, and then push our retainer lock in. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the upper. Now this has a set amount on it as far as basically it's an adjustable unit. We have a nice clean spot on our cable end right here. So I'm going to go ahead and line that up. It takes a little bit of effort to push that metal end cable into the housing, but once it's in, bring over the locking tab. Snap that over, lock in both handles, and bring the top of the door panel onto the upper sill. Lower that down on top of the door. Work your way around the perimeter of the door, snapping those plastic buttons into place. With the door snapped in, let's go ahead and install our screws. Lower screw here. Make sure that's good and snug. Let's go ahead and get our other middle door screw here. Install the 2 screws in the door handle area. Go ahead and install your switch. Press it in, roll the locking cam over, snap it in, and we're going to line this up. We're going to get our tabs lined up here, and gently press down, working your way forward. The inside of your door handle has this little trim panel right here. There's 2 tabs on the bottom you want to drop in first, and then push the top in, and it'll snap right into place. Line up your plastic push pins with the 2 holes in the door shell, and gently push in, locking that cover in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.